join us for this exciting Python online bootcamp. Hi everyone, this is Aman. You are watching me on Tech My Head. Today we have Siddharth with us. Hi Siddharth.
Hi, Aman.
Yeah, can you introduce yourself to our audience?
Hello, everyone. My name is Siddharth. I'm pursuing my final year BTech in Information Technology from Mary Lakshman Reddy Institute of Technology, Hyderabad. So today I'm here to share my interview experience with the Hexaware Technologies company.
Yeah.
I hope this would help you to get better.
Yeah. Okay, can you tell me the entire recruitment process of Hexaware? How is the process started and what are the interview rounds or the steps in that?
This Hexaware Technologies was an on-campus drive for us. So it have 4 rounds actually. The Hexaware Technology focuses on communication skills. So they have special communication round, second round, which is mostly related to the AMCAT communication test, which they actually execute. The first round is aptitude. First round contains aptitude and communication skills, and second round particularly contains only communication skills.
Okay.
Then if you are shortlisted in both the rounds, you will be eligible for the technical round.
Yeah,
So
okay.
then HR round.
Okay. How was your technical round? Is it more software industry oriented or anything? I mean, how was your technical round? What are the questions asked?
Yeah, for me, so considering all the students who were selected among me, it was a bit confusion because for me it was the questions were asked based on my introduction. In my introduction, I specified that I'm good at cybersecurity, so I got questions regarding cybersecurity. So
Okay.
in general, they have asked a few questions. I'll be telling you the questions which were asked.
Okay.
So, however, they will be asking about when they ask about our introduction, we'll be telling which language we are good at, what are the skills we are good
Yes.
at. So if you are going to prepare, if you are going to attend for a TR round, prepare well for the introduction part and the skills you are mentioning in the introduction part. If you are mentioning Java, be good at Java and answer the technical round, which you'll get the questions about Java. If you are mentioning some other technology, you need to be good at it so that you can clear TR round. So in general, they will be asking Java or OOPS concept. Even I was asked the OOPS concept each and one separately. They'll be asking. It was about 10 to 15 minutes technical round.
Okay.
So polymorphism, inheritance, and all multiple inheritance, difference between object oriented and this. And if you have done any projects, explain about them or internships and basic programs. Prime number, even number,
Okay.
prime or not, uh, Armstrong number, palindrome, string reverse, and difference between Java and Python, conditional statements in Python, difference between else if and switch case. You will even get MySQL questions
Okay.
and also data structures, searching an
Oh,
element in a linked list, bubble sort, and they may ask print specific series like they may ask to print palindrome or the print
okay.
series like 1 2 2 3 3 3 4 4 4 4,
Okay.
and Uh, so mainly, if you're based on your introduction, if you say some language or some technology, they'll be asking particularly on that section. So the questions are medium; they are not tough. They'll be asking only basics because we are freshers. And for this, the package is 4 LPA.
Okay.
And after this HR round, if you are selected in this 4 LPA package, they'll be conducting another round where they'll be conducting for only coding section.
Okay.
Separate test will be conducted. If you pass that, then you are eligible for 6 lakh package.
Okay. So, is
So
the HR round is more friendly or it's like more technical?
yeah, no, like if we clear TR, we are 99% we got into the job. In HR, we need to be particular about the bond. Companies offer for the bond of 2 years or 2.5 or
Okay.
1 year from the company. If we agree with the bond and relocation, mostly we are done in it. But in the HR round,
Okay.
what we need to do is we need to speak confidently. They need to
Okay.
trust us. Whatever you say. In HR round, it will be like what about your introduction, your family background,
Okay.
and your projects based on your resume. Apart from skills, they may ask based on your resume, like the hobbies you may have mentioned or the interest you have mentioned regarding movies, whatever. HR round will be
Yes.
completely friendly, and they may ask a scenario based question. And if you want to get into the job, you must say yes for the bond and also for the relocation. And
Okay.
if they ask for any offers or any previous, I mean, if you are already allotted for another company, you need to say no. If you say yes, they won't prefer you. So it is
Yes.
always better to say yes for relocation, yes for bond, and no if they ask if there are any other offers.
Is
So
it
yeah,
how many days it took? I mean, how many days it took for you to get the offer letter from the HR after the completion of the HR round? How many days it took to get the selected selected review or letter?
as I mentioned, it is an on-campus drive. The test
Yeah.
was conducted at some date, and uh, after 10 days, for
Okay.
approximately after 1 week or 10 days, the first two rounds were conducted on the same day.
Okay.
The first and test regarding aptitude and regarding aptitude test was conducted on the same day morning, and the results were declared in the afternoon. Then the evening section was second round of communication skills, which I mentioned there
Okay.
will be 4 rounds.
Yes.
Then later, the next day, the shortlisted students for TR round was released, results were released. And after 1 week, they conducted TR. And after 1 week, they conducted HR. So based on the availability of the pattern, they kept postponing the TR or HR rounds for few students.
Okay.
So after HR, it may take, I have completed my HR just yesterday. It may take one
Okay.
another or so
Okay.
after 1 or 2 days, after HR 1 or 2 days, you will be finalized if you are selected or not. The offer letter will be into the college as it is on campus drive. They'll be
Yeah.
allotting
Okay.
us whenever we are
Yeah. Okay.
available. Then,
Then, can you tell me how is the written test? I mean, in the difficulty level, how is the written test and how is the pattern and all?
I feel the difficult. I feel the written test in the first round was medium. One can do if he is good at aptitude and all.
Okay.
It is medium. It's not that easy and it is not that hard, but time may be the constraint. So they
Yeah.
need to. So for many people, it was difficult because the time was not enough. The stipulated time was not enough for the questions allotted.
Yeah. Do you remember the pattern like aptitude? How many beats? Like around somewhat any number? Do you remember any number?
Not exactly.
Yeah,
It
that's
was
fine.
about 90 minutes and approximately
Okay.
each 20 questions, I guess.
Yeah.
20
Okay.
questions of quantitative aptitude, reasoning aptitude, and English communication, likewise.
Yeah, you mentioned that there is special round for English communication as a second round. Yeah, can you tell me the pattern and what is the thing that is asked in that and how you have answered all of them?
Okay, this communication round is dealt with some specific software which is used by AMCAT. So in this round, they'll be asking like they'll be displaying some few sentences. In one round, they'll be displaying few sentences, and we need to read them. So they'll be
Okay.
checking our accent and pronunciation, how fluent we are in English. And in some round, they'll be asking for the replacing some words with another vocabulary, or with correcting the grammar in the
Yes.
sentences, and also the passage reading. They'll give a passage and questions like we are doing it from childhood. So
Yeah.
these are the three particularly. And in one round, I will be giving 2 minutes of time and a topic to discuss. In the 2 minutes of time, you need to prepare for the topic, and the next 2 minutes you need to speak on the topic. Like
Okay.
this, there are for two topics are given, and you need to talk for 2 minutes for the two topics.
Okay. So is
So
the round is difficult or like normal English round, like easy?
it is not difficult, but you need to speak all the grammatical words correctly, and you need to be fluent.
Okay.
Coming to the accent, it is not that necessary, but fluency and there should not be any grammatical mistakes so that you can clear the round.
Yeah. Okay.
Many
So
people
you have,
got filtered.
yeah. Yeah. Tell me.
Many students got filtered in this round. They
Okay.
were not able to clear communication round because it is not like it is not manually checked by some professors. It is the
Okay.
software which decides if you are doing good at it or not.
Yeah. Okay. So
Round is completely
from the overall journey, could you rate the entire process out of 5? I mean, the difficulty level to the overall journey.
it is 3 out of 5. It is not that difficult. You can do it if you are particularly good at least one programming language. However,
Okay.
you need to be good at communication to clear first and second round. aptitude and communication are the basic to clear first and second round. And then the TR, you need to be good at least one programming language. The two basics are enough.
Okay.
It doesn't need to get into complete
Yeah.
programming language.
Can you share your patterns or strategies to prepare for these for the new person people who didn't got job, who are in the process of trying for a job? Can you share your tips and tricks for them?
Yeah, sure. So first of all, if you are not into any job, we'll be keep worrying that we don't have a job, and there is a lot of pressure on us. So firstly, keeping apart the target to get a job, we need to focus on learning and getting the things. Well, firstly, as we know, every company is preferring for the aptitude. As even though we are not going to use aptitude in any software industry, but we need to be good at aptitude. If you are clearing the aptitude round,
Yeah.
we can go through. So be good. May not be that the improve your skills in aptitude at first. Then be good at least one programming language. Either it may be a Java, C, C++, or Python. Python is easy to learn, so you can prefer Python to learn. It may take 1 or 2 or 3 months at least. You will get fixed to the basics. So learn Python or Java. Java is also demandable program, but it is difficult when compared to the Python. So learn at least one programming language, and you can make it easily for 4 or 5 lakh package jobs. And then if you're not interested in the programming languages, there are jobs other than programming. Like you may choose cybersecurity, cloud computing, web technologies, only for front end. There are companies, but most of the people, every software company prefers for at least one programming language. So be good at it.
Yeah.
Okay, even if even after clearing the examination round, it is difficult to clear in the TR round. TR is the most important round among all, because they will be asking the questions which you may not expect. So if
Okay.
they ask for the introduction, mention the skills and the technologies and the language which you are good at,
Okay.
so that you'll be getting questions on the same which you have mentioned. So what I suggest to the people is, don't take burden, just learn this, just keep learning. May not be today, may not be tomorrow, some other day you'll be getting the job, but you will have the skills uh, forever. So then learn the new skills. You can do it. Best of luck for
Yeah.
everyone, and thank you, man, for this opportunity.
Yeah, thank you, Siddharth. It would be great help for the people who wanna join the Hexaware or who wanna try to get a job. That would be so much helpful. Thank you for
Yeah,
giving this interview.
even on the other day, I was looking for the TR and HR on the interview process for Exava Technologies, but I found one which was 2 years back. It was
Yeah.
it was years ago. So I thought it would be helpful for the others who are searching just like me.
Yeah.
They get to know how process and what are the questions, so they can be relieved. So this is very good opportunity, and thank you for this good
Yeah,
interaction.
thank you, Siddharth.